can't even see across.
Well, it's day 3 of Nightmare on Gata. It's very cold. We all slept in because there's no reason to get up.
Yeah, we're going to be cooking Christmas dinner this morning. Because it feels like Christmas. Sure, this is May.
Whose idea was to go on this trip, eh?
You.
Yeah, we caught lots of fish though. So, nothing. We thought the weather was going to improve, but then about, I don't know, I think it was like 3 in the morning last night when Hurricane Tim came.
Yeah.
And just blew the tent or the camp apart. Mike put a windbreaker up, and Tim got a new stove out, and it's kind of cool. What's it called again? I forget.
Firebox.
Firebox. We're also live and we're not at work.
Yeah, there you go.
Here you go.
It's Sunday.
Oh, hey, happy Mother's Day.
Yeah, happy Mother's Day.
Yeah.
Woo.
We're all here to help our mothers out today.
Yeah.
Hey, this is what it is. Mother Nature's coming back to haunt us.
Yes.
What are we having for supper?
Chicken curry again. I think you put too much water in that.
You did.
No, you did. I asked you how much is 350 milliliters.
Chicken curry.
He's a curry virgin. Well, Tim, what do you reckon?
That's pretty good, man.
Is it? Yeah. A little more?
No, I'm good.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, Ash, what just happened?
Well, I thought that was coffee. And in fact, no, it's not. It's Crystal Light. Why wouldn't you separate the coffee and the Crystal Light? So that's my coffee. And I can't see. It's early in the morning. I'm shaking and I just wanted another coffee. 30 degrees one week, 4 degrees the next. My God. It's incredible. Where have you brought us, Kevin Cowan?
So, it's snowing.
And we're not really that miserable, but...
No. Well, at least we're away from the campsite. We were freezing at the
That's
campsite. We couldn't stay anymore. It was like 4 degrees, the wind, and we thought we'd go for a nature hike and
Warmer
start snowing.
in here.
Yeah. Supposed to be doing the Mother Day thing. We're not. We're in the woods instead, and Mother Nature is getting back on us.
You bad boys, you should have been there.
I'm trying to think of the good things.
Breakfast.
Breakfast was good. Yes. The camaraderie. Poor Mike got traumatized by Speedo Man's presence.
Yes, he made a special appearance. Nobody should be in the woods this time of year, for God's sake. What do you think? My buddy from England sent me these. I think his mother made them. Seriously. Like, look. Oh, it's all hand stitched. What do you think? Huh? And you thought he wasn't gonna show.
No, we were kind of hoping he wasn't going to show.
Oh, that looks good. What are you cooking? Looks pretty good. What is it, Tim? So it looks like you guys got everything under control here. Where's the whiskey?
We haven't had whiskey yet, and it's 5:15.
Well, and that's whiskey time.
I have it right here. That's all we got left.
There's no more whiskey because you spilt it all.
Just one glass I spilled by
Doesn't
accident.
matter. That's another little shot we'd have each. But oh no, you had to have more, didn't you?
We're still in Gata, and we're supposed to be on Booth Lake tonight. Mike took the temperature. It was 2 degrees, and so we went walking in the bush just to get warm, and we realized why don't we just camp in the bush a bit, just back on the portage. The portage connects right to the campsite. So, we can even feel the temperature warmer back here than actually by the water. So it was a good move. It's a beautiful hemlock forest we're actually in, so I don't know, I'm kind of excited about it. What happened last night?
It snowed. Somebody should tell Mother Nature to stop messing around. It's the curse of the Mother's Day, that's what it is. We should have been good boys and gone to see our mothers. Fingers crossed, hopefully we'll get home to our loved ones.
Well, this is May in Algonquin Park. Bizarre trip. It's been bad weather for 4 days. Yesterday it ranged from 2 to even -2 during the day. I am so glad I got wool. I'm a huge fan of wool. Wool power, merino wool, anything merino wool is fantastic. Why merino wool is so good? It's actually a thin-haired sheep, and the idea is actually when you wear it, it doesn't scratch your skin. And it's just like, it's not like a big woolly sweater. You can actually layer up and keep really warm. If this stuff gets wet, it'll still keep you warm as well. And also it's environmental. The sheep does not die. This is what I wear at night, by the way. It's one of my favorite. I've had this for years. And it's just a zip sweater, really thick. And then I've got the turtleneck. This one here, the second layer, I wear this around the house all the time in the wintertime. And just love it. So I got the second layer, and the third layer is the t-shirt underneath. So I can put this right to my skin, and again, it doesn't scratch. The hat for sure, and also I got Long Johns, and sounds crazy, but I'm completely wooled out, and I love it. It saved my butt out here. We have to get out today. We just don't care about the snow, we just care about the wind. We were windbound all day yesterday. So we'll see what happens. We got up at 5:30 and be on the water shortly. It's pretty though, really pretty.